Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have Rose Wore Panty Power, so let's get into it and check it out. The Rose Wore Panty Power, or RWPP box, is a monthly box that is designed to help make your months nicer, happier. It is $37.50 per month, but that includes free shipping and she ships priority. If after seeing it you'd like to check it out, I will put my link and my code Kathrin30 below, and that will get you 30% off your first box. This is gifted to me for review. So each month we get some of the same things that you need. When we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It is always packed so pretty, and it's "Welcome to May, box full of happiness." And wait, look how pretty that paper is. Before I open it, the pretty birds, that is so pretty. All right, ooh, we can see some of our goodies and our snacks. That is what it looks like, just chocked full. Each month in this box, you will receive period products. You can get just pads, just tampons, a combination like I have, or if you don't need them, you can choose to not get them at all and you will actually get an extra lifestyle brand. These are organic, which is part of what I love about them. You generally get 9 tampons and 6 pads in varying sizes. And this, I think she says, has a value of $9. Let me double check. Yes, $9. So we get these each month. Each month we also get a couple of these stall mates, and I always like to just stick them in my purse. They're a great way to clean up on the go. Or like I always say, you can also use them in your house, but they're just nice to have on the go. We also get snacks, and my snacks this month are butter waffles, and it looks like 2 cookie type waffles. They look, here, let me show you the back. They look, oh, it looks the same as on the front. They look really cool. Let me feel. They feel like they're gonna be really crunchy, so that's fun. And each month you will also receive, in your size of choice, underwear. Mine are surprisingly not filling my bag very much this month, so I think I might have a couple of pair of maybe thongs. You can get thongs, regular panties, or if you prefer not to have thongs, you can let her know that too, and you can choose to not receive thongs. And the value on the underwear is $8 to $30, so let's look at my 2 pair for this month. I always say I can never get these back in quite as nicely as she does. So when I open the first one up, it is not really a thong. It's kind of this rushed color, and can you see it has a nice scalloped edge? It's real thin. It's like that thin one that kind of has the disappearing edge. And then the back looks like that, unless, no, I've done it again. Yeah, I did it again. We'll try that again. So it's not a thong. I assumed it was a thong, and this is the smaller side. But it's just a regular pair of panties, and that was the back, not the front. You know, you would think after years old, I would know the front from the back of a pair of drawers. These feel really, really soft. And my other pair, I can tell before I even start opening it, definitely a thong. Oh, stripes. I didn't see stripes coming. That is what this pair looks like. This one, not a lot of fabric too. That is really cute though. I do like that. I like the electric blue color of it. Definitely fun. That's part of what I really like this box for, is this is probably not something that I would run out and pick up for myself. But when I get things like this in the box, do I wash them? Do I wear them? Yeah, I do. So I like that it kind of takes me out of the comfort zone of what I would just choose regularly. And just for the record, since they were both smaller, I did get them in very nicely. And next we get into our lifestyle products, and this is what I had on top. I have no idea what it is yet. Let's get some glasses on. Managed to do all of that without my glasses. It says Adrenal Reset, Miracle Brews, Happy Hormones Teas. I could use some happy hormones. Supports hormonal, gut, and bone health. Naturally caffeine-free, a potent herbal brew. And it's naturally rich in calcium, magnesium, and iron. It is vegan. I could use all of the iron I can get. I have an iron deficit. Is that too much information? I have an iron deficit. It says it's a proprietary blend of organic herbal ingredients, peppermint leaves, nettle leaves, borage leaves, horsetail, oat straw, strawberry leaves, chamomile flowers, and lemongrass. So it's just a nice little tea. Let's see what it smells like. See if it smells like something we want to drink. Wow, it is chocked full. I almost can't get my finger down in here to get it open. That is what it looks like. Oh, it smells, oh, it's mostly the peppermint is what you smell. That smells very brisk and refreshing. Oh, I like that. I wanted to go, can you smell it? It smells so pepperminty and nice. I don't know if I will ever quit doing that because it's my instinct to want to share what I smell and what I see. And our paperwork says that has a $22 value. Next, I have JL Face Mask Hydrate. And it looks different on all the sides, so let me show you that. Simple, exceptional, always ethical. It's very light, so I'm not real clear on what it is in here. I don't know if it's a tub. It is a tub of something. Oh, it looks like a plant and it has a little wooden spoon. How cute is that? It just looks like a little potted plant almost. J&L Naturals. Did we get something from them? I think we get things from Goldie Boxed from J&L Naturals, so that's fun. This is kaolin clay, bentonite, arrowroot powder, Dead Sea clay, oatmeal powder, and green tea powder. So I can totally use that. And this is the time of year where I do some face masks that have the clays in them. And it says consciously created in the US, vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and sustainable. All right, let's see if we can see what the inside looks like. I'm gonna do it over here in case it makes a mess. Not too much. It's a really light powder, so we're gonna mix it and make it ourselves. That is really, really cool. Oh, I have some on my hand so we can feel it. Some of it came out. Oh, it's just a really, really fine, almost like a talc grain. It's really, really fine. We do, oh yeah, I was gonna say, we don't have directions on any of this, but we do on the box. So you're going to take 1 scoop of the face mask and mix it with 1 scoop of water or until your desired consistency and apply it to your face. Rinse off after 10 to 20 minutes. If skin is sensitive, reduce time until no irritation occurs. Okay, well, we'll see how that goes. And I have this, I'm not sure what it is. It looks like perhaps pressed pansies. That is what that looks like. Trying to see how it opens. I just looked at my paperwork and it said that the surprise gift is flower stickers and they have a $5 value. These are just clear flower stickers. So kind of an iris, and I don't know. You'll find that I'm really good with flowers. That's a bigger one of the I don't knows. I don't think it's a peony. It looks this looks more like a peony. The other one didn't look as roughly as that one. This is, I think, lilies and maybe another peony. You guys probably know better than I, but these are really cool stickers. I like to put stickers in my planner, so it totally works for me. And last out of the box, we have a natural rose and geranium hair and body soap bar. I love soap bars. I probably will use it on my body, not my hair, but I might give it a try. Helps to nourish the deepest layers of the skin and effortlessly release dead skin cells and impurities by using high-quality active ingredients. Natural Rosa Damascena flower oil is the perfect active ingredient to help naturally fight the free radicals which damage the skin daily. Let's get it out of here and see how much it looks or smells like rose. Ooh, it's very pink. I like that. And it smells like rose, which I personally also like. But it's just a square bar. It smells so nicely of rose. I have been taking some of my bar soaps lately that I have been getting in boxes and slipping them into my unmentionables drawer like I used to do back in the day, just because it makes everything smell so good. And I will probably do that with this one because it is lovely of rose. All right, so that is our Rose War Panty Power box for May. So you always get your period products unless you don't need them and you have control over what you receive for them. You always get your underwear. You pick your size small to 3X. And we also always have a couple of snacks. And then we also get our lifestyle products, generally 3 lifestyle products. I kind of put those back in the box as we were going along, and I have to admit, I think I did a pretty good job. So that was what was in this month's box. I really like it. It is $37.50. That includes shipping. I will put the link and my code Kathrin30 below. It will get you 30% off of your first box. Thank you so much for coming by, and I hope you have a great day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon.